The average human lives about 60 years. That's around 22,000 days. But how many of those days do we truly live for ourselves? After another cycle of work, I finally decided no plans, no second thoughts, just a ticket in my hand. And so I set long towards the Queen of Hills, Darjeeling. Not a tourist, not an escape, but as a traveler searching for moments that only belongs to me. This is my second time traveling alone. দার্জিলিংয়ের অলিগলির সাথে আমি অপরিচিত নই, তাই সাহসটাও পেয়েছিলাম। For me, solo traveling is like a medicine. It heals quietly, it speaks without words, it gives me back to myself. হ্যাঁ, তা ঠিক সবাই একইভাবে এটাকে ফিল করতে পারে না। Some need company, some need silence. Both are true, both are human.
She's unreal, ultra strong. I try to be happy just to see. Oh, I'm so happy that I met this fairy. She said I have a recipe for you. Just look into the sky that you know it's true. Try not to be happy but only free. The blue fairy, I think she makes me free.
Right now, I have no plans, no place decided, where to stay, where to go, just my thoughts dancing endlessly in my mind. I keep searching for a place যেখানে লোকজন একটু কম থাকবে এবং নিস্তব্ধতা চারিদিককে আবরণ করে রাখবে। And then, like a quiet call, the name came to me, Lepcha, a small village which is 30 kilometers away from the main city.
Dios piegas ti lali, oh bella alma innamorata.
The next day, I wake up early. The village is quiet, the air is cool, fresh, and still. I find a small homestay. It costs 1200 for one day, with 3 meals. The house is simple but warm, the food is fresh, and the place feels safe. I walk slowly into the forest. It feels endless. It feels like time has stopped. যেন মনে হচ্ছে কোনো রহস্য চলচ্চিত্রের অংশ হয়ে গেছি। লেপচা আসার মূল উদ্দেশ্য ছিল এখানকার রাস্তা আর মেকে ডাকা পাইন ফরেস্ট। এর আগেও আমি এসেছি, কিন্তু এত ভালোভাবে এক্সপ্লোর করিনি। I'm in my mid-20s. I don't want to hold back. I don't want to regret the moment. I could live now. Every step I take, every place I see become a memory written in my heart. One day, this will become stories. Stories I will pass to the next generation. I want love without fear. I want to travel without limit. I want love to fail to race again. Because no one can see the future.
On his poor old snout. Now it's me and Bobo trying to chase him out. Oh, Bobo, Bobo, scratching.
After spending one day in Lepcha, I came to know from a local about a place called Shukia, just 7 kilometers away. When I reached, the landscape opened up before me, wide and unguarded, stretched endlessly with a large tea garden shimmering under the sun. Shukia, they told me, is also known as a Sherpa village, the guardian door of Sandakofu. and the second, less popular base camp for those daring enough to walk the legendary path.
Straight down the hill. We got it all in time to kill. Keep on pumping 'cause you can't be still. Hey, baby.
Without wasting a moment, I began to explore. The flare flags fluttered in the breeze, and the local greeted me with a smile that carried the warmth of the mountains. Later, I joined a villager on a short hike. He led me through the narrow path where every bend revealed another breathtaking view. The clouds brushing the hills, the horizon melting into the layer of the blue and green.
Night is young and my love is strong, and I know it won't be long. Yeah, baby, that's over the top. Got a groove that'll never stop. Keep on rocking, baby, till you drop. Hey, baby, that's over the top. Better to the metal, straight down the hill. We've got it all in time to kill. Keep on jumping 'cause you can't be still.
I searched for a homestay and soon discovered a charming home called Sherpa House. Its wooden frame stood strong against the backdrop of the mountain. The owner welcomed me with a heart as open as the landscape itself.
Keep on rocking, baby.
छुड़ी थी कोमल राहें कहीं सपनों की तलाश में
I carried only 2 days in my hand, and now the journey is coming to an end. In these days, I'll learn something simple and powerful. Unplanned traveling always offers you something new on a plate, something unexpected, something unforgettable. This is not just a story of reaching a village or finding a homestay. This is a story of me of discovering a place I never planned for, and in that place, finding a new chapter of myself.
जिम्मेदारियों का बोझ कदमों को रोकता रहा तन्हाई की राहें देखी अकेलेपन की सिसकी सुनी लौट कर अब घर आना चाहूं पर ख्वाबों ने बीच में जंजीरें डाली
गाल फट गया भाई।